I will be sharing with you the vocabulary terms related to the topic. Number one is entrepreneurship, the activity of setting up a business or taking on financial risk in pursuit of new opportunities and innovations. For example, Mark decided to pursue entrepreneurship and started his own tech company. The next term is business development, which means the process of creating growth opportunities and expanding a business through various strategies and partnerships. Example, the company hired a business development manager to identify new markets and forge strategic alliances. The next term is startup, which means a newly established business with an innovative product, service, or business model, typically aiming for rapid growth. For example, the startup secured funding and launched their mobile app. The next term is innovation, which means creation and implementation of new ideas, products, or processes that bring about significant improvement or change. For example, the company's innovation team developed a groundbreaking solution to reduce energy consumption. The next term is venture, which means a business or project involving financial risk, typically with the expectation of substantial returns. For example, Sarah and James decided to embark on a joint venture to open a chain of organic food stores. The next term is market research, which means the process of collecting and analyzing data about customers, competitors, market trends to make informed business decisions. For example, the company conducted extensive market research to understand customer preferences and identifying market gaps. The next important term is business plan, which means a written document that outlines a business goals, strategies, financial projections, and operational details. For example, the entrepreneur presented a comprehensive business plan to potential investors to secure funding. The next term is financial planning, which means the process of estimating and allocating financial resources to meet business goals and ensure long-term financial stability. For example, the company's financial planning included budgeting, forecasting, and cash flow management. The next is marketing strategy, which means a plan that outlines the marketing objectives, target audience, key messaging, and tactics to improve a product or service effectively. For example, the company's marketing strategy focused on social media advertising and content marketing to reach millennials. The next term is branding. The process of creating a distinct and recognizable identity for a business or product through elements such as logo, design, and messaging. For example, the company invested in branding efforts to create a strong and memorable brand image in the market. The next term is market segmentation, which means the division of a market into distinct customer groups based on specific characteristics or behaviors, allowing for tailored marketing strategies. For example, the company used marketing segmentation to target different customer segments with customized product offerings. The next term is scalability, which means the ability of a business or system to handle increased demands or growth or expansion without significant loss of efficiency or quality. For example, the company's cloud-based infrastructure allowed for easy scalability as its customer base grew rapidly. The next term is risk assessment, which means the process of identifying and evaluating potential risks and uncertainties that could impact the success or operations of a business. For example, the entrepreneur conducted a risk assessment to understand the potential market, financial, and operational risks involved. The next term is profitability, which means the ability of a business to generate profits or financial gains after deducting all expenses and costs associated with its operations. For example, the company's focus on cost control and efficient operations contributed to its sustained profitability. The next term is networking, which means building and nurturing relationships with other professionals, entrepreneurs, or potential partners to exchange ideas, collaborate, and seek opportunities. For example, the entrepreneur attended industry conferences and networking events to expand their professional network. And the next term is cash flow management, which means the process of monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing the flow of cash into and out of a business to ensure adequate liquidity and financial stability. For example, the company implemented effective cash flow management strategies to improve cash reserves and manage expenses efficiently. The next is pitching, which means presenting and selling an idea, product, or business concept to potential investor partners or customers in a compelling and persuasive manner. For example, the entrepreneur practiced pitching their business idea to a panel of investors to secure funding for their startup.